Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In the last video, we looked into the intracellular digestion, and we looked how food is directly. This is for suppose food. So how food is directly getting diffused into the cell, and the intracellular digestion is taking place. The food directly gets diffused, and all the digestion takes place within the cell. There are no, extracellular activity without or exception of the digestion, the removal. Uh, if you haven't checked that video, to check that out, as today is the second part, that is the extracellular digestion, like the digestion which is taking place extracellularly. We'll be looking into that. Over here we've got uh, here we've got extracellular digestion. So we can also say that extracellular or intercellular, the both terms can be used, right? So extracellular intercellular digestion, this is some sort of digestion which is taking place inter or the extra of the part of the cell, means it is taking place outside the cell. Now what does that mean? Like this means that uh, firstly let me tell you some sort of points relating to it. uh, Takes place mostly in multicellular organisms. So the one which you have, this seems that it plays in multicellular, so this means that uh, it takes place in organisms which have got a complex system, which have got something non-simple to it. Like in intracellular digestion, we've got simple food some substances which are directly diffusible into the cell, but over here we have got some sort of substances which are not directly diffusible, and they need to pass through a proper system, and that would be occurring all outside the cell. And finally the final destination would be the cell. When the after the digestion, when the food that is digested becomes diffusible into cell, then it travels to the cell, not directly. So it takes place in multicellular, and these organisms have got a specific pathway for digestion. Like we have got alimentary canal, the humans have got alimentary canal, the gut or gastrointestinal tract. So this is showing that if you look into it, like in your mouth, digestion is taking place, right? The chemical and the mechanical digestion is taking place. Disaccharides from the polysaccharides are being formed, but that is not like uh, the cells are absorbing your food and the digestion is taking place into the cells of your mouth. It is occurring by the help of the teeth, the help of the enzymes secreted. So this means that food is not going inside because that is not diffusible, that are larger food particles. We are making it diffusible so that its final state would be into the cell. So includes enzymes, like in saliva we have got amylase enzyme which does breakdown of food. And uh, the next point would be, uh, why would we need to, why these multicellular organisms need, why they can't directly diffuse the cell food into the cell? Because uh, food particles, they eat aren't directly diffusible into cells, hence they pass the food through the digestion tract, making it diffusible. Now when this food becomes diffusible, then they will be absorbed into the cell. Like this is not like why this is not, many students get confused like why it directly doesn't, because this is the organisms of unicellular, they eat simple food. They are not eating that much large substances, that much large molecules, but multicellular do. So hence we need to break down food, making this level food, right? So uh, we have got another point, like let me rectify it. Food particles they eat aren't directly diffusible, okay, into the cells, and they pass through the digestion tract, making it diffusible. When digestive food uh, is bro- broken into micromolecules, because previously they were macromolecules, we need to break down into micromolecules. When food is broken into micromolecules, it is diffused by cells, and the uh, excreta, the waste substance excreta, is passed out of cell, and it goes and follows large intestine for digestion. This is how everything is taking place, like the food gets absorbed after digestion, and the waste substances are diffusing back into the digestion tract, and from there it is traveled to large intestine and digestion takes place. This is simply the you know we have got another difference. uh, it involves chemical as well mechanical digestion, right? In the unicellular or the intracellular, we have got only the chemical, like there was no mechanical system. Here we have got chemical as well mechanical. We have got churning, peristalsis, uh, you know that is all coming into the mechanical, where we have got enzymes, chemicals, and we've got acids, HCl in our stomach, that is coming under the you know the chemical digestion. Let me take out a picture of this. If I do get, the humans are having the extracellular digestion, and maybe these are the most common examples. Yes. uh, we can take this one. Yes, this shows that we've got proper digestion tract. These haven't got, this is something happening inside the cell, we have not proper tract, but we have got a proper tract. We have got three examples: earth form, human, and bird. All three have got their proper systems. So this is how it takes place, and this diagram has made this more clear. And Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.